Citi and PayPal have joined an $18.5 million funding round for Finmo, a treasury operating system. The oversubscribed Series A brings Finmo's total funding to $27 million. The Singapore-based firm plans to accelerate product development, enhance AI capabilities, and expand globally. CEO David Hanna says the funding validates Finmo's vision of transforming treasury management. The leadership team includes veterans from PayPal, Citicorp, and Rapid. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.